Hey, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I'm back with several new work from home opportunities from a company called BroadPath Health Care Solutions. They have several online healthcare positions open, and these are always really popular. They go very fast, so I'll go to the career section of their website and show all the different ones, and I'll go into some of the leads that I think will be more popular. But before I get into that info, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you tap the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest work from home opportunities. I post weekly work from home hot leads for companies that are hiring, as well as work from home information that I think you'll find valuable. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so just jumping in here, BroadPath Health Care Solutions has several work from home opportunities available. And you can see they've got call center supervisor, a quality analyst, call center position, customer service rep, health insurance and sales. So they've got quite a few work from home opportunities open. They are all full time, they are seasonal, and they are hiring immediately. So I will put the link to the career page that will take you here in the description box below this video. But for this video, I'm just going to go into the call center supervisor opportunity and the customer service representative opportunity. So I'm going to go into those two, but if there are any other opportunities that look interesting to you, then definitely apply, don't delay, since they are hiring immediately. So first up is the opportunity of call center supervisor. This is a work from home opportunity open United States wide. It's full time, it's an immediate hire, and this position is going to pay somewhere around $21 per hour according to the data on Glassdoor. So that's really good. And it says for the responsibilities that the supervisor is going to have to provide regular supervision and mentorship over subordinate staff, ensure regular and effective communication with subordinate staff on performance goals and coaching and development. They're going to have to facilitate daily agent coaching and development sessions, responsible for progressive, corrective, disciplinary action as needed, identify and address agent training needs, manage team's time through what looks like this system that they use, manage program-specific performance standards, and other things that fall in line with supervising. So the basic qualifications, you need to have at least 1 year of recent experience as a call center supervisor. And then it says considerable experience in managing 10 or more employees in a supervisory role, experience managing employee performance, experience with support channels, including telephone, email, and chat, be able to demonstrate proficiency in English, oral, and written communication skills, strong interpersonal and coaching skills, high level of patience, provide common sense, logical thinking, and time management skills, and be flexible. So that's pretty much it for this opportunity. If you are interested, you would just click the Apply Now button. All right, last but certainly not least, this is just the last opportunity that I'm going to go into specifically, is the customer service representative opportunity. This is work at home, it's full-time and immediate hire, and according to Glassdoor, the pay is going to be somewhere between $14 and $15 per hour. And the responsibilities of this opportunity is that you're going to be receiving inbound calls from current and potential health insurance members, and you're going to have to respond to inquiries regarding benefits and eligibility information. So you're going to have to explain plans, procedures, protocols, benefits, services, and any other necessary information to members. You're going to have to adhere to all call metrics as set forth by the client, including the schedule adherence, average handling time, after call work, and customer satisfaction scores if applicable. Have excellent schedule adherence, be dependable and organized and service-minded, have quality focus and are detail-oriented, ensure compliance with BroadPath client and HIPAA regulations, review and agree to BroadPath Beehive agreement, and then participate and collaborate in their engagement platform. So the qualifications, you need 1 to 2 years of recent customer service experience, preferably in a work-at-home setting or a call center, 100% attendance during the training, work during work duration of project, responsible for providing your own monitor, mouse, Ethernet cable, keyboard. So basically have your own equipment to service the client or to work with BroadPath. And then a positive attitude and ability to work independently from home as well as with a team, empathy, patience, adaptability, and strong work ethic. And then it talks about your internet speed. And then preferred is have prior health plan call center experience and previous work at home experience. But that's not required. It's just some things that they would really like. And then they also mentioned that again with, having experience working at home in the qualifications or in a call center environment. So if you've worked in a call center environment, but you've never worked at home, this is still an opportunity that you can apply to, and you would just want to click the Apply Now button. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the hot work from home opportunities from BroadPath Health Care Solutions. Definitely don't delay getting your application in. All of these positions said that they were for immediate hires, and healthcare positions go really quickly. The ones that I find are always, they go away really fast, and they're the most requested opportunities that I get. So if these sound like a good fit, get your application in ASAP and share this on your social media. You never know who is looking for a job, and this could be the perfect opportunity for someone. So hopefully this was helpful, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye. Hey, before you go, make sure you check the description box below for a link to my free 10-page ebook. It is a complete checklist for all of the work from home equipment that you may need to get started in your very own opportunity. Talk soon.